Hello everyone, welcome to this new video series SAT Tips and Tricks. In this series of videos, I'll be helping with the techniques which should be used to attack SAT questions and solve them really quickly. This will definitely help the students to improve their SAT scores. So in this video, I'll be helping with the techniques to solve the questions which are based on the long division and synthetic division. We will learn this through examples. So let us take the first example. If the expression 2x square minus 5x plus 1 divided by x minus 3 is written in the equivalent form 2x plus 1 plus r divided by x minus 3, what is the value of r? And we have been given 4 choices here. So let us first learn the concept behind representation of this expression in the equivalent form. Let us take an example. Suppose I have 15 and I have to divide it by say 4. How do I do it? I do the regular process of long division. I divide 15 by 4. 4 3s are 12 and I am left with a remainder of 3. This is my quotient, the result of the division, and this is the remainder. So how do I write 15 over 4 as? I write it as the quotient, which is 3. Quotient plus remainder divided by the divisor. This is the way we represent the fraction. And now my quotient is 3, remainder is 3 and the divisor is 4, and hence we write 15 over 4 as 3 by 4. Correct? On the same concept, we will also be writing the given expression 2x square minus 5x plus 1 divided by x minus 3 in the form of quotient plus remainder over the divisor. And what is a divisor? A divisor is x minus 3. Now let us compare the equivalent form which is given in the question and this equivalent form. And what do we see here? That the value r which they are asking is nothing but the remainder of this division. This is the remainder which we have to figure out. What is the general process of dividing and finding out the remainder? Students generally try to perform the long division to solve these kind of questions. Let us do long division once. When we do long division, we'll have our quotient at the top. We'll have 2x square minus 6x. We'll perform the subtraction now. I hope everyone by now knows what is long division and how do we perform the long division. Now I'll do plus 1 and I get x minus 3, and when I perform the subtraction again, I get 4 as the remainder. Okay, this is a long process. If the dividend degree is higher than 2, then the long division might take even more time. Okay, and in SAT, we do not have so much time to give to each question. There is very limited time. So how do we solve this question faster? Let us see. We will be solving this question by the concept of remainder theorem. And what does remainder theorem says? The remainder theorem says that if you have a linear divisor, please remember that remainder theorem can only be applied to the problems where the divisor is linear of the form x plus a or x minus a. Okay, so what you do is you first equate the divisor to 0. So you do x plus a is equal to 0. Whatever value of x you get, you please find out the value of the function which you are dividing. The divisor f of minus a is nothing but the remainder. Okay, so based on this concept, we see here that x minus 3 is our divisor. So I'll equate the divisor to 0. I'll get x is equal to 3. And what is the dividend which I am having? The expression which I am dividing is f of x, which is 2x square minus 5x plus 1. I'll just find f of 3. F of 3 is 2 into 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 1, which gives us 18 minus 15 plus 1, which is again equal to 4, which is same as our previous remainder, which we got while doing the long division. We need not write all these steps while we are solving the SAT questions. Once we practice these questions, all these steps happens mentally. Correct? So we know that x minus 3 is the divisor. So the value of x is 3 and you can calculate the value of the expression at the given value of x, which is 3, and that will be your remainder. You need not perform any long division or synthetic division. Let us see one more question. The expression 4x over x minus 2 is equal to which of the following? And they have given us 4 choices. Now let us look at all these 4 choices. By looking at the expression, we surely know that it is not completely divisible by x minus 2, and hence surely we will be having some remainder. That should be there in our mind. If we look at the first expression, our form is quotient plus remainder over the divisor. This is the form which we are looking at. There is no remainder, so this is anyways ruled out. Now let us figure out which choice is correct between B and C. So what is a divisor? A divisor is a linear divisor. So we will equate the divisor to 0, get x is equal to 2, and what is the numerator function which we are dividing? 4x. So 4 into 2 gives us a 8. So our remainder is basically positive 8. And which form gives us a positive 8 as the remainder? It is choice C. Choice C is 8 over x minus 2 plus 4, which can be 4 plus 8 over x minus 2. So this is the quotient. This is the remainder. How fast we are able to solve this question? We didn't even take 5 seconds to solve this question using the remainder theorem. Okay. General approach of the student is they will try to make the common denominator. They will try to take the LCM, make the common denominator, then simplify the numerator and check whether they are getting an expression equal to the given expression. So I hope remainder theorem is very clear to everyone. In my next video, we will see more SAT tips and tricks on several other SAT math topics. If you have any doubts regarding solving the question based on the long division and remainder theorem, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com and I can help you with your doubts. This is my YouTube channel Math Academy. If you have liked my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.